clinometer is a tool that used to measure the angle of elevation or angle from the ground in a right angle triangle. You can use clinometer to measure a height of a tall things that you can't possibly reach to the top. Example like flagpoles, building and trees. So you can see this picture over there. If you put your clinometer straight to your eyes, they can form a straight line is called horizon. When you look up using a clinometer, it will form an angle called angle of elevation. The string on your clinometer will also move backwards, but when you look down, it will form an angle that's called angle of depression, and the string also move forward.
Today I'm going to teach you how to make a clinometer. You need this heavy metal, a tape, protector, straw, thread, and scissors. First, get a straw and a protector and a tape, and tape the straw on the edge of it. And get a thread and just get how long you want, and pass the thread to the space between the protector and the straw. Make sure it's aligned in the 0 degree. Work on the protector and tape it. After you finish it, next attach the heavy metal and the end of the string, and you're all done. And you're finished. And this is the final.
And now I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to use a clinometer and how to measure the tall of the object using a clinometer. First of all, find an object that you want to measure using the clinometer. After finding the object, make a distance from the object. And now we're gonna find the height using a clinometer. First, stay balanced and put the clinometer in front of your face, and you can see through the straw and point to the end of the object that you want to measure. Stay still and see where the string touches the number in the clinometer. And here I get the angle of diffusion is 50 degrees. The angle of 50 degrees is from 90 degrees subtract by 40 degrees, and it's equal to 50 degrees. And the distance from the object to the person is 7 meters. And before we calculate the height of the object, we need to measure the height of the person. And the height of the person is 1.5 meters from the ground. And here we got all the measuring. In here we got 7 meters, the distance from the object to the person, and the height of the person is 1.5 meters, and the angle of diffusion is 50 degrees. And now we're gonna calculate the height of the x first, and we're gonna use the tan formula. In here we get the tan 50 degrees and equal to x per 7 meter. And the tan 50 degrees times to 7 meter. And the tan 50 degrees become 1.20. After we got the 1.20, now we times to the 7 meter, and we got 8.4 meter. And after we got the height of the x, we add the 1.5 meter, which is the height of the person, and we got all the height of the object is 9.9 meter.